Hello guys, happy new year to you all. Welcome to 2024. Yes, let's try to make this year count, okay? While you enjoy the slides, I needed to clear something. I get some negative comment on my channel and I need to clear it. I feel like this is the best time to put this out because some people come with a lot of negativity. They don't even know what it takes to create one content. I'd love to filter my channel because I don't want to be associated with negativity. If you have a problem or you have something to say, you can always put it out politely, or you chat me up, or you send me an email. Most of my content are not practice file. They are paid job, which I use as content. So it's so difficult for me to send to anyone except you want to pay for it. And some people, because they are subscribers, they feel so entitled. In fact, they feel like you need to send them anything they want for free because they have subscribed to your channel. It's the entitlement for me. I am more focused on those that are willing to learn. I'm bothered about the dedicated numbers. People that are here to learn. This is the sole purpose of creating this channel. Now, the purpose of posting is to show you my workflow so you can learn something from it. If you want to practice, you can watch this and get another file to practice with. The methods are not different. You do not have to use the same project I'm using. You can use a different file. After learning something from my channel, you can use a different file to practice what you want. If you are so keen on using the same file I used, chat me up maturely and be ready to pay for it, at least. And I also want to throw this out that I'm open for business. You want me to do a job for you, you can always chat me up. I just don't post my work to showcase or show off. I'm advertising myself. I'm telling you that I'm good at this. You should give me a job. I saw a comment from, I don't know if it's a subscriber. He said he's tired of seeing my rendered slideshow, that I should post tutorials for them to watch. I have a lot of tutorials for him to watch and he has not even watched everything. I'm very sure he doesn't even know how to put a window on the wall, but he's already tired of my rendered job. These are the kind of people I block. If you want to put out something, at least you can be polite about it. And I also want to appreciate those who have, one way or the other, chat me up privately to thank me for what I do on my channel. I want to appreciate you for being here. You're the reason I keep posting, keep creating content, and I'm so happy I can make an impact. And for those that have been asking me if I have full tutorials for sale, this year I promise I'm going to try to create a content that is not expensive for you to buy. So thank you for understanding. I pray this year brings us good tidings. Thank you so much, and thank you for also supporting the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.